to my channel! So today we're going on a new account. We're playing Grow a Garden. Our goal is to get 10 million money! Sorry. We can bake and blah blah. Okay, let's go. Bye. Talk to Tom. Okay, I know. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now we're gonna take this. Boom, boom. And also, this is not my main account. My main account is another one. Okay? Collect, I know. Let's go 58. Now let's go see something. We're going to buy this. Done. Let's go to our garden. No plant under the carrot. My goodness. Let's go back, bro. Okay. We're going to bake some one fruit. Okay, let's ask. Please fruit. Any fruit. I'll be grateful. Please fruit. Okay, new stock. Let's see. Boom. So nothing good. Okay. Also, don't forget like and subscribe. Bro, give me fruit. I'll be grateful. Uh, 80. Yeah. Nice one. Ooh, watermelon. Nice. Let's buy more of them. And boom. Now buy this strawberry. Strawberry is the most expensive one. Now plant some carrots. Now strawberry. Now we wait. Oh no. I want to sell my inventory. Okay. Everyday 18. I hate this game. Just give me something good, bro. Just give me 100. Come on. That is close one. Bro, please fruit. Nice garden. How can a duck can fly, bro? What's this? Cauliflower. Okay. Ooh, coconut. Give me something good. Just give me something good, bro. Praise. What about you? Whoa! What in the world? Yo, give me something good. Oh, okay. Oh, you can swing. Okay, nice. Just let me go. Okay, nice. Oh, no way, a lilac. Give me a lilac. The most expensive thing in the world. Ooh, Windstruck, Pollinator, Shock, White Pink Lily. Okay, let's go see my garden. No, my strawberry. Oh, I got 100 now. Let's buy. Hey. We got $4. Hahaha. It's gonna take a long while. Bro, can someone give me some good fruit, bro? We're just two in this server. Ayah. Walau. Let's. Wah! 1 second no done. Ayo. Nice one ah. Okay. Yeah, I'm malas already ah. My battery is 6 already. Oh, $200. Nice. Let's see. Okay, nice. My strawberry grown already. Yeah, nice. Just give me something good, bro. It's gonna take a while. I just need money, bro. I just need 10 million. I don't care. I just want... Oh, Ember Lily. Oh, Beanstalk. I wish I had Robux. Yeah, way. Okay. Look at this view. Oh, another garden. Let's go back. Bro, the garden. What in the world is this garden? Bro, just had... What is this? Green apple? I thought it was... I think it's glitch. It's not even sugar apple. Oi, can you give me something good? You are my cousin. You give me something. Ooh, octopus. Okay. Is this glitch? Something wrong, bro. Where's... Bro, where's... It's glitching. No way. They're removing it. Jandel, you need to fix this. Something's wrong, bro. Let's back to the garden. Ay, I don't need to grow all. I don't have Robux. Boom! What? 65? That's too low, bro. Wasting my money. I just take some carrot. I don't care how much it's worth. I will buy it all. What's this? Tomato. I don't like tomato. We got a giant. Yeah. Wait. We got gold, bro. We're rich. No way, bro. What the hell? I have the suckest garden ever. It's like the first time playing it again. Oh, 1,000. That's enough, bro. Now let's go to the seeds shop. Yes. Let's take some blueberry. And oh yeah, I know. What? Oh man, I buy all. How did I buy all? Now I don't have money. Now we're gonna take this all. Ayah. How did bro walk there? Let's back. Fruit, please. Just give me Ember Lily. You got something for me? Just one. I'll be grateful. Bro's AFK. Not fair. He just ignoring me. This is why I hate them. Okay, let's set apple. Let's collect them. Boom. No, 3 more battery. Ay. Let's set this. Ah. Okay. Oh my. Another strawberry. I'm sick today. Why? I just need something good. Oh, here is green apple. Oh, I know what's the different one, but where's is? No, they remove bamboo, bro. There's none of the bamboo. But yo, yay, bro! Thanks. Thank you. You. Boo, 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 boo. Thank you. Yay. Happy. What a grape. Just give me something. Windstruck. Yay, we got windstruck. Let's sell all. Oh, we're rich, bro. We're rich. We're so freaking rich. Oh, another one. You, bro's bamboo is so long. What the hell? Tom is so ugly. Hiya. I just want something good. I can't even parkour. Okay guys, that's it for today. Part 2 tomorrow. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.